Hello, here. My name is Aliman M. Kamara, a teacher from Ayan, Sierra Leone. I would like to, I'm a teacher, I'm a editor, also I'm a screenwriter. I would like to give you a song by the title of A Knockout. Because a song like this is a song I do personal on my own about wicked peoples out there who try to put me out, knock me out. So it goes like this. It's just a knockout, yo, just to knock you down. I got no time to waste, nigga. I can put you down within the first count. I can knock you down, cause my hip hop punches are too vibrant. It's just a knockout, just to knock you down. I got no time to waste, nigga. I can put you down within the first count. I can knock you down, cause my hip hop punches are too vibrant. As I'm crowned on this time around, train a better skill to front smith the man. So push up my punch, now to break your mouth. I'm the one round champion in the rounds, I smash cheat them. No who to test, I'm the countrywide best. In hip hop, they rate me the first since from the best. No one change my class. My punch out too heavy than out to make a blast. Cut too sharp than a naked mirror glass. Colombo Nazi, I'm the heavyweight champion. This is how I do my thing, I'm the grand champ. So up in the ring, I give you no chance. Within 5 seconds, I make you feel my hands. A punch on your head, you dodge, but you meet an uppercut on your jaw. You cut and drop as a pump on your skull. GMB is not yo, I see you. Thank you very much. Beer.
No problem.